Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your girl, Leah Drill. I'm right here in Istanbul, Turkey. I just want to take you through with my journey for my Hollywood smile. I think you can see my beautiful smile. Oh, I'm loving my tooth. I'm absolutely loving my tooth and everything about it. So I'll just take you through from the airport. It was amazing, great experience. The driver waiting for me. So I didn't have to struggle with my bags and my luggage and trying to find out where I'm going, get directions. No, he was right there waiting for me. So I got the driver, it took me straight to the hotel. Absolutely love my hotel. I stayed at Four Sides Hotel. It's Istanbul in Sicily. I don't know if I pronounced it well. It's Sicily. It's a 4-star hotel. I loved it. It's been good. The stuff is amazing. I love my room, absolutely love my room. Breakfast saved and everything. My journey started from day one. Special thanks before I go further to the doctors who did an amazing job. It's the dentists themselves. It's dentist Mohammed and dentist Umut. They are amazing. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for bringing back my glow. Thank you so much for bringing back my confidence. And thank you so much for bringing back this beautiful smile. Also, the lady herself, she's been 24/7 with me throughout this journey. I just want to say thank you, Somia. She's amazing. So when you come to Turkey, hit on Somia. She will take you places. She will take you from the hotel. She took me all my trips to the dentist, and yeah, amazing, lovely, beautiful lady. So thank you, Somia. I really appreciate. My day one, I'll start from there. Okay, they took pictures, obviously, of the teeth I had before. One thing I didn't like on my teeth was the gap. I had a gap here. So it's something I really wanted to get rid of. There was some work with my teeth because from the UK I was told I'd like a gum problem. So there was quite a bit of work to work around my gum and sort out my teeth. So day one was a little bit painful, just a little bit discomfort, but it's expected with teeth, isn't it? It's one of those things it's not easy going. So I'm one of those, oh my God, don't really cope with pain. But I try, guys, I tried, seriously. I tried my best. It wasn't easy on day one. Obviously, that's when they checked on my old teeth, obviously checked on what work to be done, the makeover, and I was given choices. Obviously, I chose the Hollywood smile. Trust me, guys, it comes with the price. Like they say, no pain, no gain. So that was my day one. Most of my work actually was done on day two because that's when they did the upper and the lower jaw, and yeah, that was a bit discomfort for me, but you get some pain stops to assist in the night because I trouble sleeping at the night, but it's expected, it's normal, it's the teeth. So yeah, so day three was amazing because I had a bit of rest. Managed to go to the market, managed to buy a few stuff for family back in the UK. Day four, I had a bit of rest as well because my gums were still discomfort. Day five, everything was happening. Can you imagine seeing my smile? So yeah, the journey has been amazing. It's been good experience. I would recommend everybody. I know my work colleagues, you can't wait to see my beautiful smile. And my family too. So yes, I'll be recommending everybody to come all the way to Turkey. Prices are reasonable, very friendly people, very professional, I must say. That's one thing I look for when I do business, is the professionalism, the communication. So one thing I remember, Somia must have thought she's doing my heading because I'll text her, I want to know my program for tomorrow, full stop. But anyway, that's me. I like to do things on a professional level. So the day I got my teeth, trust me, guys, I got back to the hotel. I was in tears. I prayed and prayed and prayed because God knows this has been what can I say, my wish, one of my heart desires. I enjoy smiling. I think you can see it in my interview. My mouth is always, so I enjoy smiling. So this will keep the glow going. And thank you so much to all those, my loved ones. Thank you so much, my love, for all the support, the inspiration. You kept me going. It was not easy. The checking up on me, my family, everybody, thank you so much. The whole team, you're amazing. So don't forget to go to, it's Dura Clinic and Istanbul, very professional. My dentist, thank you.